And we call this the Power Platform, effectively. And what we have here is an end-to-end sort of journey that we can use to address and build out all of these various different types of solutions on here. And really, it's about making sure that everyone from our business users through to our developers have one shared platform that we can work on, that can allow us to work to our very best in terms of what we bring to the table from a knowledge standpoint. And really, when we start to use these different solutions together, build a very nice unified solution. It's like sort of going into the kitchen, going up to the top of the shelf, grabbing a few ingredients, mixing them all together, and hey presto, you've got hopefully something pretty nice at the end. So individually, we've got all of these different key services within the Power Platform. And this is a complete set of integrated low-code development tools that can scale very easily from maybe just a few users to, across the entire enterprise, all running on the Microsoft Cloud, all being enterprise ready, secure, and being a great jumping point for anybody to get involved. So in my own case, my experience is more from a sort of .NET and technical standpoint. With the Power Platform, I'm able to sort of bring my skills to the table and actually contribute in some really meaningful ways, whilst also maybe taking some of the legwork out of building simple things like maybe an application interface or a simple end-to-end automation. So here we can do things like building out simple or complex workflows. We can create different sort of websites or experiences for our internal colleagues or for our customers. We can start to get some insights in terms of what's going on using Power BI, a very capable and powerful tool. And we can start to bring artificial intelligence into the equation. Now, this is something that has a lot of sort of buzz about it at the moment. With what we've seen recently with things like ChatGPT, this is only going to become more and more important. And certainly what we can expect is that from the Power Platform standpoint, given Microsoft's commitment in this area, this is going to unlock even more capabilities. So now we've even got the ability now to go into the Power Platform, write a few sentences in terms of what we need from a automation standpoint, and then the AI goes off and builds us a ready to go workflow. That's pretty amazing and pretty sort of representative in terms of where things are going and the importance more generally that AI is going to bring to the table. So Power Platform can help you start to understand what's possible on here and start to, I guess, really apply it in a really effective way in the organization. Not in a gimmicky way, but in a way that sort of really addresses a key business problem or challenge that you're facing.